You can catch fish in Piute County. Both shore and boat fishing have been excellent. Boat rentals are also available at Otter Creek Marina. Both Otter Creek and Piute State Park offers year-round fishing. These magical waters are home to thousands of hungry rainbow, brown, and cutthroat trout, as well as smallmouth bass. And hold on to your pole. When these big boys decide to hit, well, it's quick and hard. More than one pole has seen the bottom of the lake, and boy, there's nothing better than a fresh trout dinner. The Sevier River also provides fantastic brown and rainbow trout fishing that just seems to get better and better as the summer goes on and the water levels decrease. Piute County is simply a fisherman's paradise. If an atmosphere of serenity and quiet splendor is more to your liking, then, well, the high mountain lakes and streams of Piute County, they're for you. Brook, brown, tiger trout, and the once thought extinct Bonneville cutthroat all await the avid angler.